Welcome to our guide on the top 10 scholarships for students. We've compiled the most valuable opportunities to help fund your education. Securing a scholarship is one of the best ways to reduce your college expenses and focus on your studies. Before we dive in, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We are here to help you navigate the often stressful world of student finance. Today, you'll learn about different scholarship types, eligibility, and why securing one is crucial for your financial future in college. Scholarships provide financial aid that you do not need to pay back. They are essential for making higher education accessible. The reality of college fees can be daunting, leading to significant student struggle. Scholarships are a vital bridge to ease this burden. Scholarships are diverse. Eligibility often depends on merit, financial need, or specific criteria, like gender or course of study. Now let's reveal the top half of our list, starting with the foundation-level scholarships. Rank 10 is the entry-level scholarship, perfect for new students. Rank 9, the state-level scholarship, offers support specific to your region. Rank 8 is the private scholarship, often course-specific and highly beneficial. Rank 7 is the Girl Student Scholarship, providing targeted support for female students. Coming in at number 6 is the merit-based scholarship. These require high academic marks and are competitive, but offer substantial financial rewards. Let's move on to the top 5 scholarships, representing the most significant financial opportunities available to students. Rank 5 is the need-based scholarship. This is for students who demonstrate financial need, often involving an income limit, but benefits those who need it most. Rank 4, the government scholarship, offers high trust and comprehensive financial support. Rank 3, the national level scholarship, covers a wide range of courses and offers significant financial aid. At number 2, we have the international scholarship. These are often fully funded, offering incredible opportunities to study abroad and significantly boost your career. And finally, Rank 1, the top scholarship. This is the absolute best, providing the highest value and most comprehensive support. It's highly competitive, so understanding the process is key. To maximize your chances, you need a strong application strategy, focusing on accuracy and meeting all requirements. Ensure you have all common documents ready. Avoid common application mistakes like incomplete forms or missing deadlines. We will walk you through the step-by-step application process and share tips to increase your selection chances, including using online portals effectively. The biggest setbacks often come from small errors, rushed essays, poor document quality, or misreading eligibility criteria. Always verify the legitimacy of any scholarship before sharing personal information or paying fees. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. To stand out, focus on a compelling personal essay, secure strong recommendation letters, and submit your application well before the deadline. If you meet the minimum eligibility for any of these scholarships, start your application immediately. The early bird catches the worm in the scholarship world. We've covered a wide range of scholarships today, from entry-level to fully funded international opportunities. Remember, every scholarship helps. Quickly recap the top opportunities, create an action plan for application submission, and take this final advice. Believe in your potential. Don't miss out on future financial aid tips and scholarship guides. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.